Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can download and install WinRAR. Someone called it WinRAR, someone called it WinRAR. In the previous video I will already define you separately, but because of you guys commented me so much that I have to make up one video that how I can download and install it. So I am making up one video for that. So first of all, you have to open the Google and you have to write down WinRAR. Okay, then you can see its official site is win/rar.com. You have to open that one and then you have to click on download WinRAR. Then again you have to click on download WinRAR. That's it. Then you can see it's automatically start downloading. You just have to give the location where you want to download. For example, in my case I want to download it in desktop. I will save here. Then you can see on my desktop it's downloaded. Then simply I need to open it to give the permission that I want to install it. Then click on install and then you have to click on OK to allow all these extensions. If you want to change it, it's totally up to you. You can change it. But in my case, I will allow all these extensions and I will click on OK. Then I will click on done. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video.